ngidap da kajing sungkumen ka ba crowd do kata baya ka ni ka film karam ngin sawan sa joy
Dharma iyan. Dharma susuyan.
Pila penarti tiani nga. Hindi ka jing ke jongai phi. Kanam kerla.
Arpsantrik District Library Jawai. Kasyu kan long khatway kaba RBG kaba sanbat kaba news poa. Terang kerkui pi ngin sa kendo kompolisi pun. Amen.
Down, down,
BJP!
down, down,
BJP!
down, down.
BJP!
We demand
Justice for students!
We demand
Justice for students!
Kaseng Kongres haga jela haga made arpu waitrik naitung kalapelong ya kajinga ki da kabara iki plakat hakmat ke kardop yeng ulan ban penpau kajing sngokya halor kajing syak bom syak tiet ki samla puli hanong ba Delhi ha kajinga ki halor kajing lait tu kajing keli exam ni
down, down,
BJP!
down, down,
BJP!
down, down,
BJP!
down, down.
BJP!
We demand
Justice for students!
We demand
Justice for students!
Shua kajinga ki hakmat ke kardop ulan ka Meghalaya Pradesh Youth Congress MPYC habakren shakilat pathai kubor kelapan ramjur ya kajingkan tho jong unongelam ke Meghalaya BJP Youth Wing ubala tho harunsan social media bade ban shuset bet ikiba penong jinga ki Delhi halwar kajing lait tu ki jingkli ke exam need da kaba ong kani kapan pawi kajing long baklem akor bar kajing bamdan ya kajingkit clear U General Secretary ke MPYC U Derek Jarwa ula ong ba utay unongelam ubade unongesan an ula penpau ya ke kabalam syakajing ya snam persya ikisam na puli ki ba penong jingeki ula ong ru baka ni kajing le ka jong u kalong ke ba om dan satya ya kerdan hakakam uba Jonathan Sim Vice President ula ong bakum unongelam ke parti ke badan hakabor hakajaka banyarap ikisamla upenmi penban ki bakum kini kikintin ki bamla pen pedang ula ong ru baka BJP ka de benjubab halor kani bal ada kamla ka pen I baka penstur pan penyap beriu badu presiden ude ben panma halor kani ka jingken tho ka bakta mat yong nakaliang state chief organizer jong ka seva dal uba ban phira basayman ula ong baka jingkren jong presiden ka BJP kalakta shibu ni kisamna batkum ka parti kamla pan pedang dabaro kinong sosnong jong kari
Ini kalian cungka Meghalaya Youth Congress ni don lang ni ki member juga youth bagiwan persyajur ya kawai ke cingkren ke statement unda ke cingkren ke statement ke bawah kawai presiden juga BJP Youth Wing ulat ho ke social media ma mentapi ke don ketu ke cing ya protes nam tagi ni paper leaks ha ke bawah ni kum kongres ni la protes kini ki benai ki baladam Reka ke bangiyo kaba penkendit ini ikut samla bong tho ko social media chungu wong ba ya kini se kiba protes kini pensiat hi wong ba tear gas is not enough shoot them so kani pen I ba kalong kai ke mensim kumba om mensiu rudum agacuk ki bompat kuma kani gacuk tungi gacuk cinsyai kecip demokrasi. Kini statement bau tho hapo ke social media kalau rak kata sibun iki kun samla. Kaba mau kum presiden jong ke youth wing Meghalaya. Ladai mau uban yarap lem ban ya side lem. Kudai mau kum presiden jong BJP ubadon hakabon po Delhi ban yarap lem nam ta kun samla ke jungi barokoi aslak dari India bat khamtam hanika state Meghalaya jungi. Dari mau pemikum ke di kecai statement. Tinggi ba kecilong cingman ke mindset cuki kilong tek hikum gitu seki anbhat ke dunia. Ki BJP. Ba ada don gunu bom sutit le daka penting pensmi dari kum bagi om kat kum ka constitution right ke cungi. Kat kum ke artikel 19 ila protes hak demokrasi ni don ni kata hok Bat om dah kaba penting pensmit, om dah kaba berngam berset, om dah kaba berngam dah ban susiat, ban supeniak. Mereka don ke debate, kadon ke dialog, ban question the government. Dan ni kim ki kun samla, nim don ni kata right. Ladang isu snapcar gajah kini ke paper leak ke bamen kini ke lakta deki tolak mut ikna samlang. Ladang isu snapcar baik. Ladang imdon kata ke interest hak politics ladang question ni kita ke badon habor menu ben question ni kata. Rekum kini ke cingkren kolong ke bapen snungsi ke bakta mat yong sikit dai Re nagaliang tuwi ke youth congress yang scam hi ha kata ko bang inclusive development ya baro. Bangidon kata ka bomnyo siliang ino bangi sngap iko sur cumpai ba tebat sako wiru ba ka BHP kandai be a cuba halor kani statement ke bau ni presiden juga youth ping ula keren kacing sngap car juki lada ki sngap car kemud ki penslur kan kum kani kacing berngam berset juki ka penslur kin ben peniak beriu reh kani ka juk demokrasi jungi kam dai belong kumta tek ni por na kaliang jungi ni diman ba presiden juga youth congress ulah tho ek tugas cogai ni diman kum vice president juga youth congress ni diman ba presiden jongka BHP youth wing udai ben pama lor kini buat udai bedong accountability buat udai bedong kata responsibility te kini ke poru ye don lang ki member jongka youth congress ki ban ya ai jingkren lang hakani ke por.
This just reflects the BJP's attitude towards the youth. So from the Congress, we will always stand with the youth because this is not just about the Congress. This is about our society. This is about our future. This is about the welfare of our students. Paper leaks, it's not a joke, right? This didn't just happen just once. It's been happening. Paper leaks has been happening in India. It's affecting the families in the rural areas who have been sacrificing, right? They spend so much time preparing for the exams. And as students, all of us here, right, we've gone through exams, and we know the anxiety that we face before the exams. To face the exam twice, the same exams twice, it's not a joke, right? The anxiety faced by parents, the amount of money spent on tuitions, the money spent on coaching centers, right? So a lot of effort has been put so that students clear the exams. So when there is a paper leak, only the people who have appeared for the exams understand the seriousness of the matter. What is painful for us, what we've seen in yesterday's protest, the student community in Shillong, our community, right? The awareness, or maybe people feel that because it is not affecting them, so they're not coming out in hordes. So as a political party, as a party who's responsible, right? We are the ones who should be responsible to create this awareness, what's happening to our country. It's not just my family, it's what's happening in the country. It's affecting every family. All these people who want to be future doctors, future engineers, they've lost trust, they've lost faith in the system. So it's not just the Congress. I'm speaking not just as a congressman, not just as a Congress party worker. I'm speaking as a brother, I'm speaking as a father, I'm speaking as an uncle. I'm speaking for everyone. Because what is happening now with the students community, maybe if this continues, our family will be affected one day. We will be affected one day. The quality of doctors that we will have, the quality of engineers that we will have. If the system is not right, if the system is corrupt, we will have to stand up against this.
Yes, on behalf of Youth Congress, we strictly condemn whatever is going on today. As you can see, he has been saying full words and all that, and despite he's an advocate, I mean, like, where is his ethics, as an advocate? So this is very unprofessional, so to say, and we really condemned him. And after everyone that what's going on in Delhi, it's like a war there. I've seen from lots of media that many youth is they are all there beaten up, and then coming up from a guy who's from Meghalaya, I mean, like, it's such a disgrace. I mean, like, no one, they don't have the sense of humor, thinking, and then I feel so ashamed. And from the Meghalaya Youth Congress, we want him to to step down, and we need some actions needs to be taken against him. And you can't say to kill the people who protest. I mean, like these people come from all over India to protest for our nation, for the worldwide, so that everything will go in peace, knowing that all the need of the examination, what is going on. So yes, from the Youth Congress, we strongly condemn him and the BJP. So thank you.